Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to record audio in Canva, recording audio in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your Canva account and make sure that you're logged in onto the right account. So I'm currently in already onto a project or a video in here wherein I want to go ahead and record an audio. To go ahead and record this, once you're already onto your video as well, just click onto the share option here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Right after, you'll just have to scroll this one until you find and see all. Click onto that one first, and then you should be able to see an option in there to record. So click onto that one in here, and it will go ahead and ask you to go to the recording studio. Now it will go ahead and ask you to set up your camera as well as your audio. Just click on allow. Now as you can see, I have added already my camera in here and my microphone. Now once you are ready to begin, just click on to start recording, and then there should be an option for you to go ahead and speak or record the audio in Canva. You should be able to see that this one is already recording, and if you want to end this, just click on to end recording in here. So if you want to add your own photo while recording here onto the bottom part, just make sure to set up as well the camera in there. So I have removed the access for the camera in there, so there is no face showing in here, but you could do so onto your end to add them. So just click on end recording once you're done, and it will go ahead and upload your recording. So you'll just need to wait for this one. And once you're done, you should be able to see that your recording link is ready. So there should be an option for you to go ahead and copy the Canva design that you have in here, or the link for that, save and exit already the recording studio. So there should be an option as well to go ahead and download directly the recording that you did. So let's opt for save and exit, and you should get redirected back again here onto the editing page. And that is how easy you could go ahead and record an audio in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.